Hi guys, I introduce you how to use Amplify Binance trading software in this video. First, we access the official website of the software, amplifybinance.com. We can download the software from the website. And this is for you to learn the software via videos. We are welcome that you can contact us via email or TG if you have any questions. We download the software first to here and run the installation package. Earlier that we input a MetaTrader folder. The software we install to the folder. We go to the MT5. We click File, Open Data folder, and we copy the MT5 data folder here and paste it to here. And we go to next. Click Install. Okay, the software installed on your MT4 successfully. MT5 successfully. Also, we need to go to Tools, Option, Expert Advisor, click Allow DI import, click Allow web request for listed URLs, and then we add several Binance URLs. We copy the Binance URLs from website and paste to MT5. We add the Binance URLs one by one. Okay. We continue to convert the URLs for the software. And we start MT5. Yeah. After we start, we can see the software was installed and show in the services. We start the services one by one. Okay. We start our services. Please note that we cannot start service twice. Let's say here I start the service twice. It is wrong. Every single service should start only once. And that is correct. Again, we restart the MT5. Here we can see the service start automatically. Because we now don't configure the API keys for trading, so there are several service stopped. It is normal. We can see the Binance, the BTC USD core margin future and spot future and USD margin future is show up. We open the M future. We open the USD margin future for BTC. Now we can see the software keep downloading the historical bar and receiving the latest market data. Please note that this installation only need to do once. After that, every time we launch our Amplify, the software will run automatically and start to receiving the market data from Binance.